Hey guys, today is November the 27th of 2022, and I want to go ahead, since I'm on a roll with the uranium sector. I did a video on uranium spot. I feel like looking at the uranium futures could give you some clues and some insights since there's more movement within the price section. So without any further delay, let's get into it. So this is my trading view. I'm looking at UX2, and we see that we're in between a rut. This area right here is just chop fest. This is a monthly chart. And you see that we just had a MACD crossover, and so far it's negative, but the Hikanashi candles are trending green to higher. So it's kind of grinding with a slight edge to the upside. Let's look at the weekly. And then when you look at the weekly, you kind of get an idea what's really happening. It's just pretty much chop fest since May, just back and forth. Doesn't want to go lower, but doesn't really want to go higher. And right here in October, it looked like it really wanted to, head out and test this trend line, but it failed. And we don't have a weekly buy signal unless it crosses 57.20. So far it's in a rut. And now it's negative, but in the consolidation phase, which is just going sideways. The MACD is just kind of, so far right now is positive. But this is the weekly. Let's see, change it to candles. You see, it's just kind of, that's why I don't like using candles on the futures. The Hikanashi gives me a little better insight of what's really happening in regards to the trend. And now right now the trend is like sideways to a little, with a little lower bias on the weekly. Once you go to the daily, then you could just see the chop fest going on. So there's a lot of buys and sells, and it's just pretty much an indication that it's just chop. It doesn't really want to go up and go down. And if you watch my uranium spot price video, I've been saying that, we were approaching the dominant cycle, which was getting toppy between December and January. So it'll be interesting to see what uranium future is going to do. So far, the MACD is negative, just kind of dancing around between 47 and it almost had a breakout right here, 62, 52.75, but then it fell under the trend line, just kind of going sideways. So it'll be interesting to see how this is going to play out for January, February, if we're going to still be in this support resistance level, or if we're going to sell out. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the uranium futures using technical analysis.